Oh my God. What is this guy doing? Cayman, wake up. What are you doing?
I'm using Snore. Mouth tape, no strips. Why? Was I doing the weird dreams again?
Yes, you've been doing it for the past week.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, sorry. It's the max sleep I've been getting with this. Doctors told me I needed to start using it. Told me it'd fix my jawline, fix my breath, fix my sleep, and get me REM sleep.
I think it's been helping your sleep a little too much.
I know, but no stuffed nose, no headache. It's been a game changer. 2-in-1 combo pack for the same price as a regular just mouth tape pack.
How much did it
It
cost?
was like $12.
Where do I get it?
TikTok shop below. But be weary. The dreams are crazy.